Hi, everyone. Welcome to Beginner English Hub, the podcast where we learn English through real conversations and daily life. I'm Maya, and I'm here with my friend and co-host, Leo.
Hey, thanks for listening. Today's topic is future goals. You know, your dreams for the next few years. We'll talk about phrases you can use to describe your dreams in English and practice in a supernatural way.
Exactly. Whether you want to travel more, study abroad, or start a new hobby, we've got you covered. And while we chat, don't forget to like the podcast, hit subscribe, and tell a friend who's learning English. Let's start with a real conversation. Listen to this example. Leo, what would you say if someone asks, "What's your dream for next year?"
My dream is to learn how to cook Thai food. I want to visit Thailand and try authentic dishes. Maybe I'll even take a cooking class there.
Nice one. Leo used "my dream is to," "I want to," and "maybe I'll," all great for talking about future goals. Try repeating after me. My dream is to.
Good job. Now, Maya, can you give an example for a work goal?
I hope to improve my English speaking skills this year. Maybe I'll get a job where I can practice English daily.
Perfect. You used I hope to and maybe I'll. Both are common for talking about hopes. Beginners often forget to use hope and maybe, but they make your goals sound more natural. Tell me, what's one small goal for your week?
This week, I'll try to wake up at 6:30 a.m. I want to read for 10 minutes every morning.
That's a great answer. You used I want to. Again, nice consistency. Short, clear goals are perfect for practice.
Let's hear a full dialogue now. Leo, can you act as a person who wants to travel more?
Of course. Hey Maya, I've been thinking I want to visit Spain next summer. I hope to learn a bit of Spanish before then. Do you want to come?
That sounds fun. Maybe I'll take some free online classes to practice. Let's plan it together.
See how we used I want to, I hope to, and maybe I'll? Try to create your own example using one of these phrases.
Thanks for focusing on the key phrases, Leo. And remember, you don't have to be perfect. The goal is to sound natural, not textbook.
Let's recap the top phrases you can use today. 1. My dream is to for big goals. 2. I want to for desires. 3. I hope to for hopes and small goals. 4. Maybe I'll for open-ended plans.
And here's a fun question to send to our awesome listeners. What's one thing you want to try in the next month? Leave a comment below. We love hearing from you.
You did amazing today. Whether you're practicing alone or with friends, you're growing stronger every day. Special shout out to Alex, who wrote last week, "You made grammar feel easy." That's our goal.
Thanks for being part of the Beginner English Hub family. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Keep dreaming, keep learning, and remember, speaking English gets easier when you practice with friends.
Until next time, Maya.
See you next week. Goodbye, everyone.